Okay, guys, a lot of questions have been coming to my DM asking me about the trend trading strategy that they would like to know more about it. Okay, so I will be diving more into this right now so that you will get to know what you should look out for before you go fully into it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So now let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, what is trend trading strategy? How does it work? Okay, what should we look out for before we go fully into it? Okay, trend trading strategy is actually a strategy that helps you to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. Okay, you can be on a single trend for a very long time, and this can keep on making you huge amount of profit for a very long time, which means this trend trading strategy can last for days, sometimes it can even go as far as 7 days, or probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, so it all depends. And of course, sometimes it can go, I mean, a single train can actually go for hours also. Okay, so it all depends on the market situation. So you can imagine you being in profit for a very long time, and not that you are just stagnant on a specified or particular profit. It keeps on increasing as the trend is going in the direction. Okay, so that is one beautiful part about it, and this can also help you to lock up a major part of your profit while you are expecting more profit to come in as the trend is going. Okay, so now let's see how to go about it. So what are the major key things right here that we should look out for before we pick up our trade? Okay, even though it is called trend trading strategy, there are other things you should also look out for apart from you identifying the trend. Okay, we also have the support region and the resistance region. These two regions are very, very important because they will help you to identify what is going to happen at that spot. For instance, okay, at this particular point, we have a resistance region. Okay, we have a resistance zone at this spot. Okay, and of course, what are we expecting? This was on uptrend before. Okay, and of course got to the resistance. So this actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and of course it was unable to break out from there. So it tried to go back on downtrend, got to this region, went back up again to try it out. So still able to break out from there, and this time around it switched and broke out from this support region to give us more selling opportunity. In case you don't know, this is on 1 hour time frame, and that is one thing I love about the trend trading strategy. You can use it on all the time frame. Okay, it is the beautiful part of it. Okay, and of course, guys, you can see since it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, then it gives us more assurance that, okay, if this should switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, then we are most likely to sell for a while, if not for a very long period of time. The same thing is applicable to when it is on um when it is at the support region. Right here is the support region. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there, and of course you can see it playing around here. Okay, so if this should switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, then we are most likely to have the opportunity to buy for a while, or probably for a very long time. Okay, so this is the beautiful part of it, and that is why you need to take this serious and learn this strategy. Now let's see how to go about it. Okay, this actually gave us an opportunity to sell at this point. It switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, just the way we are seeing it, and of course give us a sell signal. So all you just need to do is just to place your order and set your stop loss and see how it's going to play out. Okay, and of course if you should go back and hit your stop loss, it will take you away from the market, and of course you will lose a little amount of your out of your capital. But if it should go in your direction, okay, if it should go in your direction, check out what you are about to achieve. You can see this is so amazing, and this is giving us 117,371 points. This is huge profit, guys. This is huge profit, and that is the beautiful part of the trend trading strategy. Okay, because you are using the trend trading strategy does not mean you will still not um apply stop loss to whatever you are doing. Okay, so like I always say, you protect your capital whenever you are placing your order, and as soon as you start making reasonable profit, then you should also think of protecting or locking up some part of your profit. Okay, that is the beautiful part of it. Now let's see this, guys. So this actually gave us an entry point. At this point you can see the red arrow, and you can see the red banner right here, which signifies a downtrend. Red arrow signifies an entry point, so you can place your order right from here, and of course place your stop loss at the top right here and allow it to flow. Now let's see for a buy signal. Okay, right here this actually got to a major support zone, and for a buy signal all you just need to do is to place your order at this point where when we add our um yellow banner flagging, showing up, and of course we also already had our blue arrow showing up, which signifies a a buy signal. Then you set your stop loss somewhere at the support region, and of course you can see this actually gave us a lot of profits. In case you don't know, this is huge, guys, because I'm on 1 hour time frame, so this is a lot of profits. Okay, this is about 61,943 points. Okay, and the beautiful thing about this is that this works on all the assets. Okay, it works on all the assets. You can see here is another sell signal from the resistance zone also, and of course you can see it. It gave us a downtrend signal from yellow to red. Red is the downtrend signal, and of course yellow is the uptrend signal. Okay, from yellow to red, and of course it is from this resistance zone. It gave us the red arrow, which is a sell signal, which goes with the downtrend signal, and of course you can see the profit we made. We also got more sell order at this point in case you want to add more to it. Now let's see the profits which we are able to achieve. The performance of this trend trading. Okay, and of course that is about some 6,546. You can see if you follow instructions, you are most likely to make profit all the time. All you just need to do is just to know when to jump into the trade and when to close your trade. And this is what the trading indicator will also help you to achieve. Okay, you can see it makes it very easy for you to know the exact trend of the chart at each time, when it is starting, and how far it has gone. And of course it also helps you to know when you can jump into the trade and when you can stay away from the trade. Okay, so these are some of the things which we can achieve right here on using this trading tool. Okay, and this actually works on all the charts, just the way on it works for all the assets, just the way you are seeing it right from here. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.